Presenting the 2014 Ford Taurus. Powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 15,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include alloy rims, an alarm system, keyless entry, brake assist, traction control, stability control, anti-lock brakes. On the inside, you'll find leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, dual temperature control, automatic climate control, a backup camera. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.